Unit 3 Human Health Part 2. Cooking and preserving food. Raw foods such as fresh vegetables have to be washed well before they are eaten. Many foods are cooked. Cooking kills germs in food. We can fry, boil, steam, bake, or roast food. All the minerals and vitamins are removed from food if it is overcooked. Foods can be frozen or preserved to prevent them from spoiling. Diseases. When someone is ill, it means that they are not in good health. Illness is often caused by disease. A disease is a disruption to the health of a living thing. There are different kinds of diseases. They affect the body in different ways, and they are treated in different ways. Symptoms. Often, if you are unwell, you will feel better within a few days. The symptoms of your illness, such as a cough, fever, runny nose, pains, etc., will reduce and then go away. If you have serious symptoms, or if your symptoms last for a long time, you should call or see a doctor because you may need medicine to get rid of the disease. Non-contagious disease.